Feeling unsafe in hotel? Hang on the Topvico door handle alarm. Give you peace of mind. Worried about elderly or kids leaving the room without your knowledge? Choose the doorbell mode. There will be a 3 seconds chime. Host powered by 1 unit 9V alkaline battery, not included. Suggest brand and alkaline battery. Press and hold on the disarm button to choose the volume level you need. 3 levels optional. Press and hold on the doorbell button to choose the sensitivity level you need. 5 levels optional. D is highest sensitivity. D is lowest sensitivity. Choose the alarm mode. There will be a 20 seconds alarm sound. Choose the doorbell mode. There will be a 3 seconds chime. Press SOS button. There will be a 20 seconds alarm sound.